Welcome back to Modaufy Garage. On this episode, I thought I'd do something slightly different. I want to tell you about the modifications that I've done to this car, but first I'm going to give it a good clean. So I finished washing the car, vacuumed the interior, wiped it down, cleaned the glass, washed the outside. Drop down in the comments below how you go ahead and wash your car. You can see all the steps that I took. But now what I wanted to talk about was the modifications that I've done. So this car makes approximately 338 rear wheel kilowatts. I've got a custom 2.5-inch exhaust on it from the turbo back. I've got, pretty sure there's 600cc injectors. This was done thinking back now, 2009 when I first did most of the modifications to it. It's had a bigger wastegate placed on it, still an internal wastegate, just something that can hold a little bit more boost. What else? I've changed the fuel pump. I've had to change the clutch as a result of the power, and I've also put the F6 Typhoon intercooler on. I got that second hand prior to doing anything. So the only other thing visually, I've put I found a pair of the FPV silver Argents. I was lucky to get them at a good price quite a few years ago. So they're on now. And I also have put in, I've got Coney red suspension with lowered super low king springs on it as well. So I'm not 100% happy with how it's riding at the moment. So watch out for a future video where I'm gonna pull the Coneys out, adjust them to full soft to see if it actually makes a difference. I think I'm running them at 50% hard, 50 or about halfway in the front. I think the back is full soft, but I need to pull them out again to double check it. There's also some other work I need to do on it, so I'll just jump around to the other side of the car. So this is one of the jobs I'm probably going to have to tackle here shortly. So you can see my beautiful original FPV silver Argent wheels. So you're on this side of the car, it actually sits about 5mm lower. So I've got a feeling it's I can't think of the name at the moment, but the upper strut mount where the suspension and the springs sit into. So when I changed the suspension a while ago, on the left hand side of the car, I over tightened one of the bolts and I broke it, or the studs, and I broke it. So I put a brand new one on that side, and this side I didn't touch it. So I'm hoping I've got two brand new rubber bushes. I bought the whole kit with the studs and the bush, sorry, I can't remember the name. So I've got to get on job, I've got to change that shortly due to whenever I go, if there's an undulation in the road, I'm getting scrapage on the inner guard here, even though it is rolled. So every time I see just the road ever slightly move, I grit my teeth and hope for the best. But all I can do is hear scrapage. I'm hoping changing the upper strut tower shot bushes, I think that's what they're called. Hopefully changing both sides so they're 100% will fix this issue up. Before I wrap up this video, I just want to thank everybody for your support out there. I've nearly hit 500 subscribers and I'm hoping to hit 500 before the end of this video. But if you like this video, hit that like button, and if you want to see more content from Modaufy Garage, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you on the next video.